Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're talking about creating a new team project. So let's just create a new team and name it test team. For the collaborators, I'll skip down. Then the plan, I'm just going to choose starter. So here is our team, is our test team. You can equally invite someone by copying this link and sending it to the person on WhatsApp, or invite them by email. And you can also select the user authorization if they're an editor or an admin. So if you need more projects, you can upgrade to professional. That's when you've exhausted your 3 files and 3 design for the starter plan of Figma. So I'm just going to rename this to test mobile. And let's add another one. Maybe rename it to test web. That's 2 designs. So once you go to and click your team project, once I click the team project, you see we have 2 design files, test mobile, test web, depending on the kind of design stuff people are working on. So in this about place, you can edit it and actually put a description of what this project is about with your team. Like I said, you can invite collaborators to this project, or you can work on it alone. You can also rename the team project file by right-clicking beside the teams subsection. So let's say maybe you want to add a logo or change the icon. I can just, let me say, select my passport image here, and that will be the icon of this team. You can see it just changed there. So I think that is it but you can also upgrade to professional and organization if the free files are not working. So here you can share, copy the link, paste it in WhatsApp, or invite someone by email. Also, once you click that drop down, you can also delete a team and it's going to be deleted. You can also come to the left side, right click the team name and copy the name, paste in the search box and delete it. Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll be talking about sharing your file to a collaborator. So right now, in this settings space, you can change the name, the about, and further customizations there. But what I just want to focus on is inviting someone via email. So I'll go ahead and type an email in this search box, send an invite. The person is going to receive an invite. Once the person accepts the invite, I'll share the screen of my friend who has accepted the invite for you to see how their own screen looks like. So I'll currently just open the design file where I shared an invite to, which is our Figma course file. Okay, as you can see, the person has joined. So what happens here is if there's any edits or anything at all the person is doing on this current design, as you can see, the cursor changes to the person's name. The person can click and drag, create objects, delete objects, because you give the person the edit capability on this particular design file. This is one of the features I love about Figma, on the go collaboration, and it's all done remotely. The person doesn't need to be close to you. So as you can see, I just made a new text. Hi there, I'm the new collaborator. Anything I'm doing, the parent account I used to invite the second person onto the team can see what the collaborator is doing. Okay, look at it. I just typed a new text. Hope you can see my edits, admin. So that's one of the wonderful things I love about Figma. So go ahead and try this. Share a design file to your friend. The person should join and check out if you can actually see the same thing I'm seeing on my screen, just as you're seeing it, once the person is moving his or her cursor around your screen. So play around with this. I'll see you guys in the next video.